Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the split screen in your device Xcover 6 Pro. So if you want to enable or turn on split screen mode in your device Xcover 6 Pro, you can do it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know whenever I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can enable split screen mode in your device.